Hi, my name's Rachel Phillips and I'm a science teacher at Wales High School. We're here at Abbeydale Industrial Hamlet today with some students just to kind of get them thinking about different STEM careers, what kind of things they could go into in STEM. They've had the opportunity to play around with the spark boxes, do some of the experiments that are in a little booklet that they're given with instructions. But then it also leads on to giving them the opportunity to have a go at doing their own experiments and see if they can find something new with it that's not already in the box, not already within the instructions.
Here at the Hamlet, you are applying those skills in an industrial concept. And for me, to be able to expose children to those career opportunities as a result of a STEM education, not only helps the children to contextualise their learning, but it also gives the teachers the confidence to teach the subject and again, relate it to the world of work.
A lot of the time, students think that different subjects like science, technology, engineering, maths, they're quite very academic subjects, and I don't think they realise that actually, if you are quite creative, that they might be a good kind of career or a good area for them to kind of look into. And I think it just shows them that it can be fun.
Brilliant. Okay, this camera scale a lot lower for you two.
I think this is well.
It's been a while since
Best day.
Best day.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Best, yeah, definitely. Today inspired me to become an engineer. It was just the way everything was laid out. I just thought, why not become an engineer?
That's it. That's all I need.
Thank you so
guys.
much.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
You're an ace. Absolutely ace.